for northwestern wise, southwest. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northern Wise County in north central Texas, southeastern Montague County in north central Texas, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Sunset, 9 miles south of Bowie, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and tennis ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Albert around 4:30 p.m. Decatur around 4:40 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from